Okay, hello. Ah, that's okay. How much is the wireless charge?
Battery case, sir.
Yeah.
You put it and you can press here and you can start charging your phone, sir.
But what doesn't matter which phone is gonna be, or
which phone do you use, sir? Apple or Android?
Apple.
Apple is you can use all, so you can try your phone.
But how much it costs one?
It costs here, sir.
1,700.
So all you have to do is
1,100.
just put it inside and press it here, sir. So you are charging the phone. And at the same time, it have a magnetic absorption. So if you have a car, you can just stick back side, sir. If you don't like to charge the phone, sir, all you have to do is press it here. So it stop charging, sir. It's like a case, sir. If you take little discount, sir, for you, 1,300 for you, sir. Good price. Fast customer.
It's fine.
Fast customers. So
Plug it in.
when you are in the traveling time, is not convenience. Now, if you have this, so in the plane also no problem for you, because most of the time if you go in the plane, they're not allowed the power pack to carry. If you have this kind of thing with you, no problem, sir.
No, it's fine. Thank you.
Like
Thank
this,
you.
sir. I give
Thank
it
you.
to you this price.
No, no, I don't need it, to be honest. No, it's fine. It's fine.
If you need it, okay, take for like this for you. Best price. Good. Open bill.
No, it's fine. Thank you. Yeah. What about this camera? How much is the camera?
Car camera, do you like a single or dual?
But I'm looking for dual, but it's in front and inside the car.
Yeah, inside the car.
Yeah, you have something like that?
This is the one. This is the one inside and inside of the car. You can make position inside anywhere. Sir.
Yeah. How much is this one?
This one I give you best price 1,800.
1,800.
This one costs 950 baht.
But this is just one.
Camera,
900 baht. That's let me think, 20 pounds.
Yes, the specs is backside.
Full HD.
This have a night vision also.
This one has night vision. This doesn't.
This also have, but this one have dual. The quality of the camera is the same, sir. The only difference is the front and back.
Oh, this has a back one.
AIR
Pause.
BODS.
Yeah, pause, yeah. For iPhone. Doesn't matter, iPhone or something.
The Apple is only for, especially for Apple.
Apple AirPods, yeah. 1,150 pounds. How much is here?
Here is 3,500.
3,500.
Yeah.
But is this like the best quality, or?
This is the original quality.
Original.
Yeah, you can check the airport.
Yeah, I can
Here
see.
have airport only have a like this, the green light. The rest quality.
They're fully charged when it's green light, yeah?
Yeah, and the rest have not like this. This is huge in ear also. You can see this is the smaller size. This is huge size. What I mean is that this one very big one. Yes, this is small.
This is like, you say this is original,
This is the original quality.
So this is how much? 3,000?
3,500.
3,500.
You can try the sound quality.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine. No, it's good, it's good.
This is because somebody called, you can speak the both side. Most of the earphone have only one side.
Only one
speak,
side?
yes.
Ah, okay, the microphone is just
The
in one.
microphone is only one side.
3,500, is it? Yeah, okay, my friend. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Take it, brother. I give you this for you.
Oh, no, it's fine, my friend. Okay, thanks. Okay. No. Just
Hello,
Hello. Ah, it's okay. It's okay. How much the iPhone in 2G? The small one. Yeah, that one. 4,900. That's iPhone 2? iPhone 2. And the 256 gigs iPhone, no, how is it called? The iPod, yeah. How much is that one? 8,500.
Yes, sir. Something.
It's looking.
You don't want long stick or Gopro?
Well, I have. Oh.
Maybe one more. One more.
One more, yeah. How much is a long stick?
Which one?
Well, which one do you think is good? Ah, this is more like almost
it's
original.
tripod. Three-way. Yeah. This one and this one.
How much is this one? This looks
This
like
one 400 baht. This one 250 baht.
400. This one. That's
Yeah.
the time. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. You here? How much is the DJ Mobile 2?
This one? This one?
Yeah.
This one 5,000.
5,000 baht.
Original one. Another one cheaper, 3,500.
But that's not DJI. That's something else.
And lock face, everything. That can do.
The how's it called? The DJI drone, the Mavic Pro. Do you have? Oh, on the other side.
Combo set.
42,000 combo.
Yes, combo.
The basic one. The
Basic one. Only platinum.
platinum. Platinum. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Hello. So that's original, yes? The headphones? How much is the original headphones? How much? 400 baht. iPhone 6 or 7? 6, 7, 8 different. It's different now. Ah, you have some.
May I have this one you want?
1,390. Ah, okay.
Phone F and phone.
iPhone 7. Yeah, okay. Hello. Hello, just looking around. Hello, just one question. How much to change screen iPhone 8? But the screen is good. I just no, it's nothing is wrong. I just the price. I'd like to know the price.
I want to just see 3,500.
3,500. Excuse me. Sorry to bother. How much is the Osmo Pocket? How much is it?
40,500.
40,000. And the GoPro?
12,900.
12,000. Okay, thank you. Hello. How much is my passport? 1 terabyte. Yeah.
1,950.
900. Okay. So thank you. Yeah. Thank you.